source shaping space and time. Forms arise and still remain, held beyond one thought or name. Even when one gaze turns away, the world continues, held in play. Atoms, stars, bodies, breath, carried beyond birth and death. Not created by one alone. Every form by the whole is known. Shared vision, unseen thread. Universal thought is spread. I release the narrow view. See the one expressed as many true. Matter speaks of something more. Spirit moving through every form. I stand within the greater plan, not separate, not bound to hand. Knowing form is not the end, but a path where soul